Hey, today I'm going to show you how to change battery on a Mazda push to start key. First thing, we're going to take the emergency key out. Just please make sure don't open the front side. We're going to open only the back side. So we're going to have this place here. We're going to crack it a little bit open, and then we're going to follow that with the screwdriver and just open it all the way. After we open it, we still have a cover here. You can see the size of the battery here too. It said CR2025. That's the size of the battery. I'm going to take a flathead and just lift it up. And we're going to put a new battery in there. I'm going to put back the rubber. Just push it inside. That's it, it's all done here. If after you change the battery the key still won't work, watch my video about 4 common reasons why keys stop working in the link below. Thank you for watching.